The human circulatory system is a remarkable network that plays a vital role in keeping our bodies functioning. Imagine it as a complex highway system where blood serves as the vehicles transporting essential goods to every corner of our body. This system is primarily made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood itself. Let's start with the heart, the central hub of this intricate network. It's a muscular organ about the size of your fist, located slightly to the left of your chest. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left side of the heart, which pumps it out to the rest of the body. It's a continuous cycle, working tirelessly to ensure that every cell receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Now let's talk about blood vessels. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are like the highways of the circulatory system, carrying oxygenated blood away from the heart to the tissues. They have thick, elastic walls to withstand the high pressure of blood being pumped from the heart. As arteries branch out, they become smaller and eventually turn into arterioles and then capillaries. Capillaries are fascinating. These tiny, thin-walled vessels are where the real action happens. They connect arteries and veins and are the sites of nutrient and gas exchange. Oxygen and nutrients diffuse from the blood into the tissues, while waste products like carbon dioxide move from the tissues back into the blood. This exchange is crucial for maintaining the health of our cells. Once the blood has delivered its cargo, it travels back to the heart through the veins. Veins are equipped with valves that prevent the backflow of blood, ensuring it moves in one direction. They carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, completing the circuit. The entire circulatory system is also supported by the lymphatic system, which helps to remove excess fluids and waste products from tissues, playing a key role in our immune response. What's truly amazing is how this system adapts to our needs. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, pumping more blood to our muscles. When we're at rest, it slows down, conserving energy. In summary, the human circulatory system is an intricate and efficient network that sustains life by delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. It's a perfect example of how our bodies work in harmony, showcasing the incredible design of human physiology. Understanding this system not only highlights the importance of cardiovascular health, but also reminds us of the intricate connections that keep us alive and thriving. The human circulatory system is a complex network that plays a vital role in our overall health. It's responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, and hormones throughout the body. But like any intricate system, it can encounter problems, leading to various diseases that can have serious consequences. One of the most common issues is hypertension or high blood pressure. This condition often goes unnoticed because it doesn't always present symptoms. However, over time, it can damage blood vessels and lead to heart disease, stroke, or kidney failure. Imagine your blood vessels as garden hoses. If the pressure is too high, they can become weak or even burst. Then there's atherosclerosis, where plaque builds up in the arteries, narrowing them and restricting blood flow. This can lead to coronary artery disease, which is one of the leading causes of heart attacks. Think of it like a clogged drain. Eventually, the water can't flow freely and pressure builds up. The same happens in your arteries, and when the heart doesn't get enough oxygen, it can result in serious complications. Heart failure is another critical condition where the heart struggles to pump blood effectively. It doesn't mean the heart has stopped working. Rather, it's like a car that's running on empty. The heart can't keep up with the body's demands, leading to fatigue, shortness of breath, and fluid buildup. It's a gradual process, often linked to conditions like high blood pressure or previous heart attacks. Let's not forget about arrhythmias, which are irregular heartbeats. Sometimes the heart races, and other times it may skip a beat. While some arrhythmias are harmless, others can be life-threatening. It's like a dance where the rhythm gets thrown off, and if it doesn't get back on track, it can lead to fainting or even sudden cardiac arrest. Another significant concern is peripheral artery disease, which affects blood flow to the limbs. This can cause pain, cramping, and even lead to gangrene if left untreated. It's a reminder that our circulatory system isn't just about the heart. It's about every part of our body receiving the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Lastly, we have conditions like deep vein thrombosis, where blood clots form in the deep veins, usually in the legs. If a clot breaks loose, it can travel to the lungs, causing a pulmonary embolism, which can be fatal. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected our body systems are and how a small issue can escalate quickly. Understanding these diseases is crucial because prevention is often possible. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress can significantly reduce the risk of developing these conditions. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider can help catch issues early, allowing for timely intervention. In essence, the circulatory system is a lifeline, and taking care of it is essential for a long, healthy life. Each beat of the heart is a reminder of the importance of this system and the need to keep it in top shape.